Good morning, Matthew. How have you been? I hope you are having a fantastic Friday and that you're ready to begin working on IEP goals 4 and 5. So for goal number 4, Matthew, we are going to continue to talk about finding the mean when given a set of numbers. And just as a review, we know that the mean is the average or the norm. We know that in order to find the mean, we must add up all of the values to find a total. And once we have gotten a total, we divide the total of numbers, by the number of values we added together. So for example, here is our set of numbers. We would add all of these numbers together, find our total, and then count how many numbers we added and divide our total that we got by the numbers, by the amount of numbers we have here, which would be 7. There's 7 numbers here. And whatever answer we get, this would be our mean. This is our average. So today's worksheet is called mean, and we have 12 questions. So if you can please take out this worksheet, Matthew, so we can review it together. So this is our worksheet, Matthew. We have 12 questions. I will be doing 2 with you, and you will be working on the rest on your own. Please do not forget to write your name and also take out a calculator that we will be needing it. So I will be doing questions 1 and 2 with you, so you can have those questions as a example. So to start off, we have our set of numbers here, and they want us to find the mean. So we know that we have to add our set of numbers first before we can find our mean. So we are going to add 9 plus 3 plus 6. So we're going to get our calculator and find out what is 9 plus 3 plus 6. And we have 18. So our answer here is 18. However, is 18 our mean? Are we done? No, we're not done. Good job. We still have to get our mean. Find our mean. We just found the answer for these 3 set of numbers. However, we have not divided yet, so we do not have our mean. So now we know that we're going to get the sum of these 3 numbers, which was 18, and we have to divide that by the amount of numbers we have. So how many numbers do we have in total? We have 1, 2, 3. So we know that we have to divide 18, which was our answer, and divide it by 3 in order to get our mean. So we would get our calculator again. We have 18, and we're going to divide it by 3, which gives us 6. Now are we done? Have we found our mean? Yes, good job. Yes, our mean is 6. We have added our set of numbers together. We have divided our answer by the amount of numbers we have, And now this number right here would be our mean. Awesome job. Now we are going to do the same thing for question number 2. So we start off with putting the numbers that we are going to add together. I want to see strategies, Matthew, so I expect to see this in all your questions. I want to see you write it down before you put it in the calculator. In case there were any mistakes, I can see what was your mistake. So we are going to put 14 plus 12 plus 17 plus 9. And now we are going to get our calculator to find out the sum of these 4 numbers. So 14 plus 12 plus 17 plus 9 equals 52. So our answer here is 52. Are we done? Have we found our mean? Yes, good job. No, we have not. We now have, we know the answer. We have found our sum. However, we still have to divide our sum by the amount of numbers we have. So let's count how many numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to divide our sum, which was 52, by 4 to find our mean. So 52 divided by 4 gives us 13. Now are we done? Have we found our mean? Yes, good job. Yes, we have. Our mean is 13. Good job. And that is what we are going to do for all of the questions, Matthew. You will add all your numbers together to find the sum. Divide your sum by the amount of numbers you have in order to get your mean. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'm always here to help. If not, we are going to continue to go number 5. So now for go number 5, Matthew, you will continue to be working on the Boom Learning cards. So you will go to your browser. You will search for Boom cards. You will click on the first one that says wow.boomlearning.com. Here in purple it says Boom cards. You will log in as a student and you should sign in with Boom. Your username, you should know it. Your username is Matthew_Mejia123 and your password is Mejia123. So here you would put Matthew_Mejia123 and your password is Mejia123 and you will sign in. You have your deck of cards right here. You will continue to work on the cashier vocational skills and money management. You will do another 3 to 4 customers. I will get your progress here. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Guzman. We are always here to help. Once you are done, do not forget to submit your IEP goals to Teams, and then once you have submitted your work to Teams, you are good for the day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. We have a 3-day weekend this week. So enjoy. We will see you here back on Tuesday. Goodbye, Matthew.